I'm gonna come by and see you. See how you moving.
What's up, y'all? Back with another one. I'm pretty hyped, man. Today I can feel it. I don't know what's going on today. Besides me taking the dancing shoes off the Donk, it's gonna be a good day. So today I'm going ahead and let y'all know I'm bringing y'all a new series to the channel. The name of this series is gonna be Shut Up and Turbo. So what that means is when I actually bring the turbo and all the parts and stuff in the garage, I'm gonna shut up and I'm just gonna record me attempting to turbo the car. That's the only thing I've been thinking, like, dang, I don't want to blow my stuff up, right? But now I'm at the point, like, with everything else, like, I had to actually do it to learn it. And I've been so nervous, like, man, I don't want to blow it up, because it's not, that turbo stuff, it's cheap compared to like what it could be when you go in the eBay route and stuff like that. But overall, it's not cheap overall. With this whole setup, I'm towards $3 grand with everything, which is relatively low, but it's high to me because I don't know if it's gonna work. So waiting on the last batch of parts. So I'm trying to make this a clean turbo swap. I ordered a last bit of parts, man. I ordered a serpentine kit, LS1 water pump. I got the water pump though. The serpentine kit, well, basically it's a bracket to relocate the alternator and power steering pump to make it not look like the truck. Belts, all kind of little stuff. I'm waiting on that last batch to come in. I got my fuel tank, fuel pump, hoses. Actually, fuel hose I'm waiting on today. I think I'm gonna start buying fuel hose and power steering hose, 1/4-inch hose. I think I'm gonna start buying that stuff in bulk because I'm always going to stuff with hoses and clamps. I try to find a way to not leave the house at all. So today I'm picking up the transmission, Chevrolet 2-door. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. Once again, I'm telling y'all, he be having everything, almost everything. Like, if I don't got it, I'm pretty sure I could call, hey, what you got? I'm gonna go pick up this 400 from him. I ain't even took the motor and trans out the back of the truck yet, man. I'm trying to find a pallet, but I found a tire that I can sit it on for now. The reason why I wanted a pallet is because I want to be able to move all that stuff with the skid steer once I get forks. That way I won't have to be putting in like no leg work. So going to 400 trans, 5.3, 92mm turbo. I already got it. I'm not changing. I already got it. So if it don't work, shoot, I guess we're gonna have to make something else happen. All the clamps, V-bands, oil feed, drains, like all that stuff. Everything on the car is gonna be hoses besides the oil feed and drain, those AN, which I don't really care. Kinda recommended that you use an AN hose, but the drain you can use a regular hose. But it already came with the kit, and then I didn't like the length that came with the kit, so I ordered some more. So like I said, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna turbo. I'm going to get, throughout the week, I'm gonna get all my parts together, and when I do so, I'm gonna break the motor down, make sure the bearings look good. If they do look good, I'm gonna smack it right back together. Only way I'm gonna order a rebuild kit is if the bearings are bad, which they shouldn't be. Came from a used motor. I got it pulled out in Kansas when I bought about 4 at once, and it's my last one that I have sitting. So get all my parts together, and once I get the last bit of parts, so I'm gonna put all the clips together. It's gonna be Shut Up and Turbo coming middle of next month, middle of November. This man taxing me. Tax. Overtax.
Bro, honestly, bro, if you look at in
Tax.
the line, bro.
Tax.
Bro, it's a good transmission, bro. It's a good transmission, bro.
Tax.
Bro, this is a racing transmission, 400, bro. You see, got the brake shit right here, bro. What's up?
Tax. He taxing me.
Still, you don't know a good deal, man, when you see one, bro. For real.
Tax. How much y'all think I should pay for this? I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm paying, but y'all just tell me how much.
Racing 400. Shift kit, all new clutches, everything, bro.
He ain't never rode this transmission.
Bro, I can guarantee you the bro.
Look, he laughing. He about.
Bro,
All right.
Me, bro. You killing me.
Tax.
They work together, man.
Let me get tax in my truck.
And I'm getting the converter, bro.
Tax.
Stall, whatever you wanna call it.
He taxing me, y'all.
Hey, look, you should tell somebody being inside them. Look, you should tell somebody being inside them, bro. Anytime.
I didn't know what I was looking at. I had to call J Malcolm. I say, man, what's this on the side? Y'all know, I always say it, man. I don't race. I ain't no racer. I ain't into racing, but a little speed. He said anybody else you ain't selling it, huh?
Nobody else. Only Steve, my boy.
I'm gonna be interested. Like I said, I don't know what I'm looking at.
We sitting in the garage right now, bro. See that day, bro.
How many years you had this?
I had it like for a year.
Just sitting.
Yeah. Almost a year and a half.
Man, he got the C10. He's supposed to put it in the C10.
Nah, bro, I'm giving it to you. I want you to have it, nigga.
You said you want me to be great with it.
I want you to be great. See, niggas don't want other niggas to be great, bro. I want you to be great, bro.
Tell him. Man, got the C10. You can put that in here. You got a light in here? Yo.
I'm gonna come by and see you. See how you move. It's a sad day, bro. I couldn't do what I wanted to do with you.
Hey, you might could get it back, man. We'll figure something out.
You're going to a great home, man. That's all that matters, man. You're not going to no goddamn shelter, man. You know what I'm feeling? You're not going to the shelter, man. You're not going to the junkyard.
I'm telling y'all, hit this man up.
Yeah.
He got 383. He don't want to come off of it, but he said that money right. You have it. You ain't gonna sell that.
I will sell it, bro. Now, I will definitely sell it now because it's home, bro. This was the whole thing, like my whole reason to keep it motherfucker, bro.
Well, go ahead, put the price of how much and where they can find you at.
I got a 383 stroker, all new internals. It's on the jacks, it's on the motor stand right now. Only thing you gotta do is just pick it up. Bring me $500.
$500.
$500.
Hey y'all, this might be gone by the time this video posted.
I got too much shit going on.
I don't know if he told me that price. I don't even think he told me. Yeah, you told me you don't know.
Yo.
But
bring me 500, man. I want mine, man. I want y'all to be great, man.
Y'all heard him. Follow him on Instagram. Chevrolet 2-door. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting.
It's a bittersweet moment right now, man.
Next day, man, so about to pull out my last motor that I've been having sitting, and then a fuel injection tank, so we can have all our parts in one spot. Once it's time to start breaking down, check the bottom end on the motor, get our ring gap, and put it back together, we can start rolling. Literally, we'll have all the parts to make this happen besides some clamps and some fluids, but that's the easy stuff you just go down the street and get. Boom, that's my motor and my gas tank back there. Man, I forgot to record. Well, we got the tank, fuel injection tank, and then I almost just killed myself pulling this motor out. I was like, hurry up and jump back. But got the cherry pick, I'm pull the truck over. Gotta pull that other motor out anyway. But just getting all these parts together. This thing heavy, I ain't gonna even lie.
It's spilling.
All right, man. Got the 305 out. I gotta get my machine, man. That skid steer I was telling y'all about, for those who watch the shop vlog. Literally, you can put some forks on this strap or chain, whatever I'm using, and move and move it instead of bringing the whole truck, bringing the engine, cherry picking it up, move the truck out the way, drop a tire under it. Like literally, I can get a pallet and some forks from the skid steer. Like I was thinking I was gonna sell it when I was done. I might keep it. I ain't gonna even lie. Like, so if I get like big packages and stuff that require forklift, skid steer, like it'll come in handy a lot more than what I'm thinking. Sure ain't nothing crazy going on while we moving. Using the Vogue for a tire holder. Let me drop this thing down. I was capping, man. That's a Royal Seal. That's what that is. But just hope, that's all I was just say. I hope I could just move this out the way, but nah, it ain't gonna let me. I might have to move this motor over. Oh man, that's funny. After a whole bunch of work, I'm tired, but I got the motor in here. So we got the 5.3, I believe this. I still got the paperwork for this engine too in my office. I believe it had, what's it, the evap went right there. It broke off. Dang, that's something I gotta figure out. Oh, so it look like I could just get another evap, take this out, put the clamp back on. So this motor got like 160 some thousand miles, I believe. What do I need for this motor? I need these two sensors I can get from the junkyard, or take them back from J-Rock, which I just might do. Need them two sensors, a map sensor. I need a 2 or a 3 bar, one of the two map sensor. But other than that, I got a new flywheel to make it up to the 400. Y'all seen J Malcolm and Chevrolet two-door Eric say he got a trans brake, got a torque converter, got the LS1 pump, another hose, some fuel injection hose, motor mounts, spark plugs over there. Got my fuel injection tank. I got all my turbo stuff in storage elsewhere, which I'm gonna post the pictures right now. I got dang everything, man. And I bought a new relocation bracket and stuff for the power steering and the alternator. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna take this off, because I know you gotta use some type of special tool. So to take that off, here go the eval thing I was talking about that broke. Yeah, the little mount on it broke. You don't need this when you doing it hot rod street style. You don't need it. But yeah, so water pump getting changed, going to the LS1. This bracket getting changed, so it'll be a cleaner look. Alternator will be off to the side a little bit. Turbo will be on this side. It's the same turbo I showed y'all in the turbo two-door, but really, I don't want to put one turbo in the two-door, and I don't want to put one turbo in my white box Chevy, so this will be a learning curve, basically. So if when I figure it out, I know what to do for them two cars. I already got a part list for both of those cars. I got the estimate. I know exactly what I should be at. Like I previously told y'all, the FiTech is coming off here. This is a 600 horsepower system, and the whole fuel system is coming off here. It's going with the Holly Blue, and then this 650 double pumper. All the whole setup in here. Fuel filter, everything. Fuel hose, everything is in there. I just gotta get the time. Maybe tomorrow morning I just might take it off. But like I said, that system is going on my Landau, and I got twin turbos that I want to do, but I gotta get the method down first. Once I get the method down, then it's like no problem, boom, I'll buy whatever I need. But I gotta get the method down first. And then on my white box, which all the old people know about the white box, new people, y'all don't know about it. Just go back and check in my LS Swap playlist. In the white box, I always wanted to do twins, but like I said, I ain't had the knowledge. So it's like holding me back. So put all this together in the Donk, which the wiring, all that stuff is the same, man. A lot of people try to tell you it ain't, but all that stuff is really pretty much the same. The fitment might change, but most of it is pretty much the same. I know how to work between both of the two, because after being on this one, I can see what's what. But method goes down, twin turbo, both of them cars. One EFI, one FI. And then I am still planning on doing a carb turbo, but I can't put a time on it, or a car. I don't even got a car that I want to do a carb fuel injection. A carb. I don't even have a car that I want to do a carb turbo on. Now I'm looking at this Donk. I know some of the process for that, but you have to buy a blow-through carb, which you can make a carb blow-through. I got a cheap 600, Holly 600 on the Landau right now. and I paid $100 for it. I ain't believe it run. I could actually use that to learn how to make a blow-through carb instead of spending $700 on a blow-through carb. That's like the same. That's a little bit. Add a couple hundred to that, and that's all the parts I need to turbo it besides the fuel pump for a carb system. But I'm running on, man. Soon we'll be doing setup and turbo, which I'm excited. I just hope it don't go out of the plan, man, because I have like no experience with turbos, but the only way to learn is to do it, so should be interesting. I'm out.